Google business profiles are often overlooked, but can be the secret to getting your landscaping business more clients. How's it going? My name is Ryan Hugler with Landscape Legends, and today we're going to be going over why you need to be focusing more on your Google business profile going into 2023 and what you can do to start actually getting clients from your Google business profile. While I've got you here, make sure you leave a giant thumbs up on this video because it helps out a ton and it helps me make more videos just like this for you to help you grow your landscaping business moving forward. So what is a Google business profile? Well, it's pretty much just that. It's a business profile for your company that shows up on Google. If you do not already have a Google business profile, go to google.com/business and it'll walk you through the steps on how to set up your profile today. Make sure you fill all the information out and make sure that you get the verification code in the mail. Put that in to verify your account so that people can actually start seeing your profile. Now, why in the world should you even care about your Google business profile? Well, there's a couple big reasons. Number one is that having a Google business profile allows your company to show up in the Google map pack when people search for, let's say, a landscaper in your area. As you can see on the screen, the map pack is just like it sounds. It's a picture of a map along with 3 businesses in the local area listed right beside it. In order to show up as one of these businesses, you have to have a Google business profile. The real kicker is that nearly 50% of people that are making local searches, such as landscaper near me, click on a company in the map pack. Not to mention that this is all free exposure that you can even get without having a website. However, a website will help you out. On top of that, everybody who is making a search on Google has some sort of intent behind their actions. For example, if you post a picture to Facebook, your picture will then show up in people's Facebook feed. However, the people that see that post may not have any need for your services. Here's a little secret. The people that are Googling for a landscaper, they need your services. So now that you know why focusing on your Google business profile and your Google presence is so important, what can you do to get started on improving your presence? These next 5 factors have been proven to give you the highest chance of ranking at the top of the Google search results and being shown in the Google Map Pack. Starting off with number 1, the most important part about your Google business profile is actually filling it out all the way and having accurate information. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are correct and they are listed consistently across platforms like Facebook, Houzz, Nextdoor, HomeAdvisor, all of the platforms that your business is listed. Additionally, you want to make sure that you choose the proper primary category. This is actually the number 1 factor when it comes to showing up for, let's say, landscaper near me, is having the right category for your business. Depending on your business, this may vary, but most of you will probably want to choose either landscaper, lawn care service, or tree service. Lastly, make sure that you fill out a compelling description for your business and fill out your hours and all the other information that it asks for. Now, if you're still new in business or haven't started your business yet, let me encourage you to use keywords like landscaping, landscaper, or lawn care service, or tree service, whatever service you're offering, in the name of your business. For example, a client of mine who I built a website for, his company name is His City Landscaping. And just because that's the name of his business, those keywords are literally everywhere on his website and all over his Google business profile, and he is ranking at the top for both of those keywords. He has not done really anything else special. Not only does it help the search engine know more about your company and what services you provide, but it also helps your clients know more about you. It may seem obvious to you, but look at it from a client's perspective. If they read or see your business's name, are they going to know that you're a landscaper or a lawn care service? If not, you may want to consider changing your business name. Now, once you have your Google business profile completely set up, the second most important thing, and I harp on this all the time, it's getting Google reviews. After setting up your Google business profile, reviews have been found to be the second most important ranking factor for your profile. Now, when it comes to reviews, there are 3 big factors: quality, quantity, and content. Quality is essentially just how many stars you are getting in your reviews. If you have 100 reviews, but they're all 2-star reviews, Google is not going to want to show your business to people searching on their search engine. They want to provide the best experience possible for people who are using Google. So they use reviews as a factor in determining what companies are good to work with and what companies people have a good experience with. If Google can create a good experience for their searchers and pair them with a company that provides great service, and an all-around great experience, people are going to keep coming back to Google and using their search engine. Now, as you can probably imagine, the quantity of reviews matters as well. You're going to have a lot higher likelihood of ranking at the top of the Google Map Pack if you have 100 5-star reviews compared to if you have 5 5-star reviews. It all comes back to your perceived authority by Google. Lastly, the content in the review also plays a role. For example, if your company has 100 reviews and 75 of them are referring to something along the lines of landscaping renovation, a mulch installation, new plants, a new patio, new retaining wall, Google is going to recognize that and know what type of people to show your business to. They'll show your business to people who are searching for mulch installation, landscaper near me, patio builder, retaining wall builder. Once you have a consistent flow of reviews coming into your business, the third ranking factor for your Google business profile is actually the website attached to it. When you create your business profile on Google, you can automatically attach your website, and Google looks at that. So if they see keywords like landscaper in your town or lawn care service in your town, and then they can tell that you're talking about weekly lawn maintenance, fertilization application, mulch installation, river rock installation, Google recognizes that. Not only is having the right keywords at the right place important for your Google ranking, but also providing a good customer experience on your website is very important as well. And there's two reasons for this. Number one, if Google sees that people are clicking to your website and they just bounce and click off of it right away just to find another website that solves their problem, Google's going to see this and probably penalize you because your website isn't very responsive to what people are looking for. If you don't currently have a website for your landscaping business that is SEO optimized and optimized to convert as many website visitors into paying clients as possible, make sure you visit wearelandscapelegends.com, click get started, and schedule a time to speak with me. We will hook you up with a top-notch website that will double or triple your leads per month from your website and help you grow your business from $200,000 to $300,000 up to $1 million plus in annual revenue. Moving forward, the fourth most important ranking factor for your Google business profile is actually often overlooked, and that's backlinks. Now, what in the world is a backlink? All it is another website linking back to your website. The reason that this plays a role in your search ranking is because if Google sees that your website is being listed on super authoritative websites like, let's say, Wall Street Journal, New York Times, Forbes, Entrepreneur.com, those are all very authoritative websites. And if they trust your company enough to link back to your website, that says something. It instantly boosts your credibility and, in return, also helps boost your Google rankings. You can get more backlinks to your website by getting listed on a variety of directories, by sponsoring local events that then feature you on their website, or by just partnering up with other local contractors or your suppliers to then feature each other on one another's website. Now, lastly, coming in at number 5 is posting consistently on your Google business profile. Now, like I mentioned earlier, your Google business profile is kind of like a social media profile for Google. And just like Facebook and Instagram, you can actually post to your profile. This is important for two reasons. One, Google likes to see consistency and that you're keeping up to date and that you're using their program the way that they want it to be used. Additionally, people who visit your profile are going to want to see up-to-date information about your business. It doesn't have to be anything too laborsome. As long as you're posting a minimum of once a week, you should be good to go. Now, what should you be taking away from this video? Set up your Google business profile and make sure that all of your information is filled out accurately. Ask for reviews on a consistent basis to every client that you work with. Don't just put it at the bottom of the invoice saying, leave a review at this link. Personally ask them whether you're doing a walkthrough in person after a big landscape job, or you just finished your first month doing weekly lawn maintenance for a client. Shoot them a text. Do something to reach out individually and ask if they are willing to leave a review. Most of the time, people are willing to leave a positive review. The big thing is just being persistent enough to get them to actually do it. Obviously, don't annoy and spam them about it though. Also, make sure that you have a quality website that is receiving authority from other websites through backlinks attached to your Google business profile. And then lastly, like I just mentioned, keep posting on your profile on a consistent basis to keep it updated. If you do these 5 things religiously in 2023, I can almost guarantee you that you will see amazing results when it comes to getting new clients into your landscaping business from Google. And the best part is you don't really have to pay any advertising dollars for this either. It's all free. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you can run ads to show up at the top of the Google Map Pack or the top of the Google search results, but that's not what we're talking about here. If this video helped, make sure you leave a giant thumbs up. Like I said earlier, it helps out a ton and helps me keep making these videos to help you guys grow your landscaping business. And let me know down in the comments what your landscaping business goals are for 2023 and moving forward. Lastly, if you want to stay up to date on all the best ways to grow your landscaping business, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell notification so that you are notified every time a new video comes out. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.